Foreign parts in the cotton wander via the card sliver and the yarn into woven or knitted fabric. Today, this can be reliably prevented. Special foreign parts separators have been on the market for more than 10 years. Trutzschler introduced the first version at ITMA Paris in 1999. The detection and separation rates were still very modest. During the course of the last 10 years, numerous sensors were tested for their suitability for foreign parts separation. It did not take long to realize that there would be no such thing as a universal sensor. That is why Trutzschler developed a principle that employs several sensor types in one machine. The result is the new Foreign Parts Separator SP-FPU. 3 sensor systems work in parallel and complement each other. The color detection system employs sophisticated 3 CCD cameras. In relation to so-called color sensors or simple 1 CCD cameras, only a few pixels are necessary to safely detect foreign parts in the flow of cotton. This is how the cameras see the passing tufts. And this is how they see the colored foreign parts. But what happens when the foreign parts are not colored, but rather transparent or semi-transparent like these parts? They cannot be distinguished from the color of the cotton tufts. Therefore, the second sensor system uses polarized light. The light is aimed by means of special filters, allowing transparent foils to appear colored. Now these foils are visible again to the cameras. However, there are also parts without any transparency that are white as cotton. Here, the third sensor system is applied. The parts are illuminated with UV light. Such white parts are often treated with optical brighteners and appear light blue in UV light. Thus, they can be detected by our sophisticated cameras. The high degree of separation rates is only possible by combining the 3 sensors. The ideal location for the foreign part separator is after the last cleaner and before the cards. This machine cross-section shows the material flow from top to bottom, as well as the arrangement of the sensors and the lighting units. The 2 cameras for color detection with the 2 lighting units. They detect the tuft flow from both sides. The camera and polarization filter with special lighting unit. Also with pole filter. This system uses transmitted light. And here you can see the lighting unit with the UV light sources. The cameras ensure that the foreign parts are reliably detected. Now, they must also be reliably separated. To do so, first of all, the speed of the tufts and foreign parts passing at more than 10 meters per second is measured by means of 2 speed sensors. Now, the computer can determine precisely when these parts reach the separation unit. Here, a nozzle beam with 48 times 3 nozzles is positioned. Each one of these 48 valves can be individually controlled. Thus, only those nozzles respond in front of which the foreign part actually passes. Due to the precise control and selective nozzle control, only a very short air blast is required. This saves expensive compressed air and, above all, keeps loss of good fibers at a minimum. The separated foreign parts are sucked off and separated and delivered directly into a fine mesh filter bag at the machine. This makes a visual inspection of the parts very easy. The machine is equipped with an integrated control and allows, therefore, complete independent operation. It can easily be retrofitted into any existing cleaning line, regardless of make. The convenient touchscreen control ensures easy operation. Here, comprehensive statistics in the form of various diagrams are shown. A second monitor in the machine is provided for optimization and adaptation to different cotton varieties. As always, Trutzschler places emphasis on simple and fast maintenance. The elements, for instance, can be pulled out to the side for checking and cleaning if necessary. Thanks to the combination of 3 different sensor systems in one machine, the Trutzschler Foreign Parts Separator SecuroProp SP FPU achieves the highest detection and separation rate. For the purpose of specific machine development and practical evaluation, we have developed an objective evaluation system. The TCCM system makes it possible to determine machine efficiency or to perform a precise comparison of different machines. TCCM means Trutzschler Contaminant Classification Matrix. The foreign parts contained in cotton are assigned to 15 classes, for example, white PP strips, foils, or feathers. In addition, the 15 classes are assessed according to the potential risk of the parts for downstream process and end product. A colorless PP strip is naturally much worse than a piece of paper. The PP strip only becomes visible after dyeing. Now the installation is operated for a few minutes. The cleaned cotton and the separated parts are collected separately. Then the complex part of the process begins. All foreign parts, the ones separated as well as the ones remaining in the cotton, are classified and weighed. The results are recorded in a special input mask. The outcome is shown in the form of tables and diagrams. The machine efficiency for the various classes is clearly indicated. Comparisons with various competitors' machines and an evaluation of this objective process assure us that we have the most effective foreign parts separator on the market today, the Trutzschler SecuroProp SP FPU.